content was very crisp, and in times of social media and reels and all, it carried the punch.
Seek to listen, only then be heard. Talk less, say more. These are some of the beautiful things that you have incorporated in your presentation.
The content was very good and your method of teaching is also very fabulous.
The team that has the highest score, which is almost equal here, would have the highest probability of selling a product or a service or an experience to someone else from the other team. Because the team that knows the most is the most powerful team in the room. Are you all ready? Yes. You're not trying to win something, you're trying to solve something. When you sit as a representative versus when you sit as a business, the feeling is completely different. Would you agree? What is that one thing, one tactic that we have to master in order to have control of the narrative? The way you frame the optics of the deal will help you control the narrative. If you are unable to tell crisp, to the point, transformational stories during your presentations, you are not making an impact. The typical tendency that we have is we start creating alternatives while we are in the conversation. The unfortunate thing about enthusiasm is that sometimes it is considered as desperation. Each word mentioned here is extremely difficult to implement in your day-to-day life, especially enthusiasm. Our customers are conditioned in a way that they hardly hear a no.
The entire session you have conducted in a very cohesive way and you have drilled down so many issues. Basically, regarding on negotiation, what you told, those were very structured way to address that aspect.
Most wonderful part of your session was for around 3 to 4 hours. You keep connected all of us.
Thank you for such an interactive session, and it will help me a lot.